So guys, I'm showing you this Yoda best boyfriend mug. So this is the best boyfriend gifts for men, and this comes in nice fragile packing um, that explain everything. So you can see this comes in a right box, very protective, and there is no issue in it. So you can see the mug itself is very comfortable to hold, and this is what is written is a Yoda best boyfriend, love you I do. Is a very nice picture of a Yoda, and here as well is a ceramic cup that you can use for any of your products and things. So I'm just trying to put some of this drink in it. So as you can see, the drink and everything looks nice, no issue cleaning and everything. Hope you like this cup.